So you need a professional yet easy-to-use video editor that includes a built-in screen recorder, but you're low on cash. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Luxea Video Editor Pro and claim a free lifetime subscription on your personal account. Hello and welcome. On this channel, we bring you giveaways, useful tech tips, and tricks to make your digital life easier. We're about to hit 10,000 subscribers, so if you're new here, feel free to join our community. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Now, let's get back to today's topic. First, open a search engine and search for Luxea Video Editor. Visit the official website at acdc.com. On the official website, you'll see that a promotion is currently running for Luxea Video Editor Pro. In the provided box, enter an email address to claim this free promotion. To claim this promotion, you also have to agree to receive marketing emails. And yeah, we get it, that's just their business strategy. But don't worry, we're going to use a temporary email instead of our personal one. Now listen carefully. In this step, we just need to grab the subscription key. In just a minute, you'll see exactly how to claim this subscription to your personal account. Once you've claimed your free subscription, check your mailbox. As you can see, we've received an email from ACDSC. Inside this email, you'll find your free subscription code. Now, use the download link provided to download the application and install it. The installation is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Keep in mind that installation time may vary depending on your PC's performance, so sit back and relax until it's done. Alright, the installation has been completed successfully. Now let's set up the application for the first time and activate it using the free subscription code we received in our email. But before that, we need to create a free account. This is where you should use your real email address so that you never lose access to your account. While creating your account, make sure to uncheck the option for marketing emails. You'll also need to set up a password, so make sure to remember it for future logins. Alright, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's test if the subscription code actually works. As you can see, the subscription code has been accepted. We can now use this software without any limitations. If you ever need to reinstall the app in the future, simply visit the link shown on your screen. Once there, log in with your account credentials and you can check your subscription details or download the installer anytime. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.